When it comes to brewing that perfect cup of coffee, not all coffee makers are created equal. This Ninja Programmable XL 14-Cup Coffee Maker Pro stands out from the crowd with its advanced features, sleek design, and ability to brew large batches without compromising on flavor. If you're someone who takes their coffee seriously, this machine may be just what you need to elevate your brewing experience. From its hotter brewing technology to its programmable delay brew, the Ninja XL 14-Cup Coffee Maker is designed for convenience, customization, and optimal coffee quality. Let's dive into why this coffee maker might be the perfect addition to your kitchen and how it can transform your daily caffeine routine. One of the most appealing features of the Ninja XL 14-Cup Coffee Maker is its large capacity. With a 14-cup carafe, it's perfect for hosting brunches, family gatherings, or even just ensuring you have enough coffee to fuel your busy day. Unlike other high-capacity machines, though, Ninja ensures that each cup maintains the rich, robust flavor you'd expect from a smaller batch brew. Whether you're brewing for yourself or a crowd, this machine delivers every time. What really sets this coffee maker apart is its two brewing styles, classic and rich. This allows you to customize the strength of your coffee according to your preference. The classic option delivers a smooth, balanced brew that's great for your everyday cup. If you prefer something more robust, the rich setting provides a bolder, more intense flavor without any bitterness. The Ninja Coffee Maker's hotter brewing technology ensures that each pot is brewed at the optimal temperature, which means your coffee is always flavorful and never over-extracted. The result? Coffee that's rich in aroma, smooth in taste, and free from that unpleasant bitterness that plagues other coffee makers. This coffee maker is packed with thoughtful features that make brewing coffee easier and more enjoyable. The 24-hour programmable delay brew is a game changer for anyone with a hectic morning routine. Imagine waking up to the aroma of freshly brewed coffee without having to lift a finger. Simply set the machine the night before and you'll have your perfect pot of coffee ready when you wake up. Worried about wasting coffee or having it go cold? The variable warming plate ensures your coffee stays hot for up to 4 hours. With 3 adjustable temperature settings, you can choose how warm you want to keep your brew, so every sip is just as fresh as the first. The freshness timer is another handy feature. It tracks how long it's been since your last pot was brewed, so you'll always know when it's time for a fresh batch. No more accidentally pouring yourself a cup of stale coffee. While the Ninja XL can brew up to 14 cups, it's also equipped with a small batch function. This feature is perfect when you only need 1 to 4 cups of coffee. Unlike other large coffee makers that may dilute the flavor when brewing smaller amounts, Ninja ensures that even a single cup is brewed to perfection, giving you a rich and flavorful coffee every time. The removable 70-ounce water reservoir is one of the best features for easy refilling. You no longer have to awkwardly pour water into the machine. Simply remove the reservoir, fill it at your sink, and pop it back into place. It's a small but incredibly convenient feature that makes your brewing experience that much smoother. The mid-brew pause function allows you to grab a cup of coffee before the brewing process is complete. Perfect for those mornings when you can't wait for the entire pot to brew. And let's not forget about cleanup. The permanent filter means you won't need to keep purchasing disposable filters, which is both eco-friendly and cost-effective. All the components are dishwasher safe, so once you're done brewing, cleaning up is a breeze. Why choose the Ninja Programmable XL 14-Cup Coffee Maker Pro? Large capacity. Brew up to 14 cups of coffee, perfect for family gatherings or large households. Customizable brew styles. Choose between classic and rich to suit your taste preferences. Hotter brewing technology. Ensures each cup is brewed at the perfect temperature for maximum flavor. Convenient features. From the programmable delay brew to the freshness timer, this machine makes brewing coffee incredibly easy. Small batch function. Brew smaller quantities without sacrificing flavor quality. Pros and cons. Pros: large 14-cup capacity for big households or entertaining. 2 brew styles, classic and rich, for customized flavor. 24-hour programmable delay brew for set-it-and-forget-it convenience. Variable warming plate keeps coffee hot for up to 4 hours. Removable water reservoir for easy refilling. Eco-friendly permanent filter that reduces waste and costs. Cons. Its large size may not be ideal for small kitchens with limited counter space. Some users may prefer a built-in grinder, which this model does not include. Final verdict. Should you buy the Ninja Programmable XL 14-Cup Coffee Maker Pro? If you're looking for a coffee maker that delivers both in terms of capacity and coffee quality, the Ninja Programmable XL 14-Cup Coffee Maker Pro is a fantastic choice. It's packed with features that make brewing coffee incredibly easy, whether you're preparing for a crowd or just brewing a few cups. With its classic and rich brew options, programmable delay, and hotter brewing technology, you're guaranteed a flavorful, fresh cup of coffee every time. While it may take up a bit more space on your counter, the sheer convenience, capacity, and customization options it offers make it worth the investment. Whether you're an everyday coffee drinker or someone who loves to entertain, this coffee maker won't disappoint. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.